and good morning, good afternoon, or good night wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna start today off with breakfast. I am making the cake, what is it called? The pudding, the Christmas pudding, because I didn't get to make it for Christmas. So it's just like a microwave thing. So I'm microwaving that right now and we're gonna try it. Alright guys, so right out of the packaging, I have to say, it doesn't look that great. Alright, let's give it a try. Got a spoon. Got a knife, because I'm gonna put some clotted cream on it. Apparently it's good like that. Okay, here we go. Oh wow. That's not very good. It's alright. It's not terrible, but it's not good. I'm gonna go give it to my family.
What are you doing?
You can try it on camera.
Why?
Just to see if it's good for you or not. Just remember, it does not taste like a brownie, it's fruity. Don't be deceived by the look.
Yeah.
No. Yeah.
Yep.
Okay, we're going to my brother now.
Oh no, don't put it in there. Skin's all dry.
It won't show. I'll let you review the footage before I post it. But just try this, please.
What is it?
It's the Christmas pudding. Just careful, it might be hot. Oh, dude, it's on a spoon!
Oh.
Oh.
Kind of weird. How did you get that?
What do you mean, how did I get that?
Where's it from?
From the store.
Oh, you got kind of weird. Oh. I
Jobs.
don't like it.
Hi guys! So I just finished my makeup and my hair, and I'm not dressed, I'm still in a Pikachu onesie, but oh well. So I'm not really sure what the plan for the rest of today is. I know some of my family is cleaning right now, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna clean a little bit too, or I know I have to like clean up some stuff in here, but then I think I might just try and relax for a little bit because everything goes back to normal again on Tuesday. So I wanna relax. Hi! So now it is later, it is 7 o'clock exactly, and we've got pickles, and we've got deviled eggs, and there's dip in the microwave because we are preparing for New Year's at midnight. And the puppies are barking because they are not in here while we're eating this stuff, but they'll be out here later. So we're going to eat some snacks and play some games, and then the plan is to go to this place where we're gonna get more snacks and celebrate New Year's there.
Want soda?
Yay! Alright guys, so there's been a change of plans. We might be staying home now, but look, holiday snack tray for dogs. I got this specifically for New Year's Eve for the puppies, because a couple years back we got like a holiday snack tray for people, and it had little meatballs in it, and this has meatballs in it. So I'm gonna give them each one of these right now. Want meatball? Can you sit? Sit. Want meatball? Yummy. Sit. Sit. Good girl. Hey Chubbs.
Oh my gosh, I'm not Chubbs. Oh, she finally got up.
Meatball?
She knew what you were gonna give her, that's why she got up.
Ooh, yummy. Alright guys, so it is 11:16. We have decided that we are not going out. So for dinner, I'm gonna have some kimchi noodle soup. And it's actually really interesting because it turns out that this is vegan. And normally these kind of things have like seafood flavoring or something in there, but I guess these don't, which is really interesting. So it's all just vegetables and stuff. But this one is actually microwavable. Some of the ramen, like the cup noodles that I've had before, are not microwavable. So I was gonna microwave this, but my brother and my friend want some ramen too, so I'm just gonna put on a pot of water. All right. So this is what it looks like when it is all done. That's like the seasoning. So I'll try it in a second. Okay, time to give it a try. It smells a little spicy. Ooh.
Brian.
It's good. It doesn't have the same flavor as like normal cup ramen. It's not spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy. But it's good. I don't see the kimchi yet though, and I don't taste kimchi. It just smells kind of like vegetables and tastes like vegetables now. But yeah, it's good. There's just not a ton of flavor to it. All right, we are like 1 minute to midnight. We're watching Countdown Chicago on the TV. See? Got my mom here, my brother here, and my friend down here, and my dog's over here. And we've got some sparkling juice. Yay! Less than 30 seconds. Got you guys in the background.
You got these two are gonna start.
11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh, that was lame, you guys.
Because you know we're not gonna really loud with the dog.
Cheers! We have to do cheers. Yay!
Cheer, cheer, cheer everywhere.
Yay! Can you guys hear the fireworks outside?
Cheer, this mom.
Ooh, this is good. Peach Bellini, the sparkling like Welch's juice or something.
You good that one?
Sparkling Welch's juice.
Where'd you get that one?
Walmart. This is like the leftover stuff from the convention. The sparkling juices that we had there. Alright, well, that is the end of Vlogmas for 2017. It is now 2018. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you had a good Vlogmas. I had a good time. And I will probably be doing vlogs on my vlog channel weekly, maybe. We'll see. But if not, then I will see you guys back here again next Vlogmas. Bye! I'm choking.